it is an incredible, incredible day when two magnificent people, out of all the possible suitors in the world, have said, "You are the one, if you will have me, with whom I choose to spend the rest of my life."
We grew up 1,500 miles apart, but somehow our lives led us to San Diego, California at the same time. It wasn't until that day when we hiked the 5 Peaks Challenge where I saw something that wasn't there before. Somewhere in the 16 miles and ascending 6,400 feet, I fell in love with you. You have a kind heart and are always willing to do anything to make others happy. We are surrounded by all of our friends and family today. They will now get to see how much we love each other. I am lucky to have you as my wife, and I look forward to 40 years or more with you.
By the sacrifice Nathan and Kelly choose in giving themselves to each other, they make each other holy. They've made the ground of that church holier, and they've made all of us holier by their commitment. And so we gather together tonight to celebrate this sacrificial love that they've decided to enter into.
I, Nathan, take you, Kelly, to be my wife.
I, Kelly, take you, Nathan, to be my husband.
I promise to be true to you in good times and bad.
Sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
All the days of my life.